Here's how to draw a realistic mushroom, step by step. Foundation. Start by lightly sketching an oval for the cap and a slightly curved elongated cylinder or rectangle directly beneath it for the stem. Think of these as the basic building blocks. Refine the cap. Begin to shape the cap. Most mushrooms have a rounded, sometimes slightly flattened top. You can add a subtle curve to the edges. Some caps are more bell-shaped, while others are flatter. Define the stem. Smooth out the stem's edges, making it slightly wider at the base or the top, depending on the mushroom variety. Observe real mushrooms for reference. Some stems are quite slender, others thick. Add gills, underside. Underneath the cap, draw a series of radiating lines for the gills. These lines should converge towards the center of the underside of the cap. Don't make them perfectly straight. A slight curve adds realism. Texture and details. Now for the fun part. On the cap, you can add subtle speckles, winkles, or a slightly irregular edge. For the stem, consider adding some vertical striations or a ring, an amulus, if your mushroom has one. Shading for depth. Choose a light source, then apply shading. The underside of the cap and the side of the stem opposite your light source will be darker. Use cross-hatching or blending to create smooth transitions in tone. The gills will also have subtle shadows between them. Final touches. Erase any visible construction lines. You can add a few blades of grass around the base or some dirt for context. Soften any harsh lines to make the mushroom look more organic.